For today's mobility, we're going to be tabletop, hands and knees. We're going to extend at 45-degree angle and sink into our hips. We're going for a good lat stretch. We're going to hang out here and focus on breathing. Now for today's mobility stretching, there shouldn't be any modifiers necessary. If you feel a little bit uncomfortable, you can put a pillow behind your knees if you have a hard time sitting to your heels. But everything else in this video should be user-friendly. We're going to rise up, we're going to switch sides, 45-degree angle at the arm, and we're going to sink back into our hips. We're focusing on getting a good lat stretch right where I'm rubbing the side of my back here. You want to get a good stretch. Focus on breathing. Breathing in through the nose for 4 seconds. Exhaling out for 4 to 8. And again, we're just hanging out here, sinking into your hips, trying to get a deep stretch to that lat. We're going to rise up nice and slow, and we're going to go back to the other side. On this one, we're going to try to sit all the way back on your heels, and you should feel majority across your lat. And if your shoulder bothers you, you can play around with the angle. Again, we're focusing on the lateral back stretch. Very good. Relax your body. Try to sink as deep in your hips as you can. Rise up slow. And we're going to switch sides. Nice 45-degree angle across the body. And really sit down in your hips. Trying to get a good lat stretch. Very good. Continue on breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Today's flow is very mellow. Breathing in and breathing out. 3, 2, and 1. And we're going to rise up. For this one, you're going to extend your arms forward. We're going to sink into our hips, focusing on bringing your chest and forehead down to the mat. Now, I don't want you quite sitting on your heels yet. We're focusing on a good thoracic stretch. Arms fully extended, chest and forehead to the ground. Now, if this does bother your shoulders, you can put your hands a bit wider. That should take pressure off the shoulders. Very good. And we're just going to focus on your breathing. Breathing in and breathing out. Very good. And start pulling your hips back a little further. Really trying to elongate your back. Keeping your chest and forehead as low to the ground as you can. We're going to rise up. We're going to extend our hands out a little bit further and try to bring them closer in and knees wider. And sink back into your hips. Now again, if it bothers your shoulders, keep your hands in a wide position. It's a little bit more shoulder friendly. The goal is to feel this in the middle part of your back. With each breath, try to bring your chest deeper to the ground. Hips are high, knees are a little bit wider on this one. And we're going to focus on breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Very good. Rise up nice and slow. For this one, bring our arms back under, and we're going to extend one arm out as far as we can, and we're going to rotate away, focusing on opening up the chest and the shoulder. Now again, if you can't get your head all the way to the ground, you don't have to. Just want to focus on rotating away from that hand that's fully extended. You should feel this across your chest and shoulder. And we're going to go and switch sides. Extend that other arm out as far as you can and rotate away from the shoulder and open up. Well, depending on your flexibility, some of you guys might be able to roll all the way over on top. Just stay within your range. Again, you should feel a stretch, but it should never hurt. We're going to hang out here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rise up. Reach tall to the sky. Big breath in. exhale, and all done.